Okay, I've got the Moss Emperor up. Now this ceiling fan is very similar to the Air Moss Emperor in a couple of ways. For one, this one is as heavy as that one. I believe this one's 10 pounds heavier. Second, I got the same exact cap, just about. That one's just a little bit more stretched out. This one's just a little bit more squished. And the third thing that's similar is they both have green motors, or this shade of green. And the last thing that's similar, they both have got freeway switches. Now I'm not going to turn this ceiling fan on for right now. I'm just going to leave the light on for two reasons. First of all, you can see the blades are bent like crazy, and second, the way it's up there is rigged with two screws, and I'm confident I'm holding it up. I'm just not confident with holding it while it's spinning. So if I'm going to have this ceiling fan on, it's going to be on low speed or off. Anyway, and I did fit. I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the fan speed. If it comes crashing down, I'm gonna be first person that sees it. I'm gonna be right next to it to catch it if it comes down. Alright. I'm not gonna let it operate at least one more hit. That's odd. Yeah, this ceiling fan spins wobbles significantly. And you can hear it running with the two screws. I'm just not going to have it run on hot, or at all actually. Huh, it's got two speeds. Runner. That's something with the ceiling fan. It's got two speeds I've noticed. Okay, here's speed 1. Speed 2, a little bit faster, and then off. Now I'm not going to leave this ceiling fan on high any till I'm 100% satisfied with the structure. Anyway, I plan on next week, or in the next 3 weeks after that, I'm going to get a junction box, redo all the ceiling fan wiring. And I'm also planning on trying to get these blades a bit better bent out. It's significantly better than whenever I bought it. However, they're still out of plumb quite severely. But for $10, it's one beautiful fan. And I don't know if this is a Moss Emperor knockoff, but it's got the same symbols, same matching top, and it's got the same blade brackets. Of course, I didn't see the blade brackets on the one that I'm sure is original. Well, that's pretty much it for this video.